When the workdays seem to go on forever, and there's never enough hours in the day to read and sign on every dotted line, remember to make time for yourself. Participate in activities that you enjoy by yourself or with your loved ones. Introducing the Lumex SureStryde Rollator. The SureStryde is the latest rollator by Field. Its sleek frame design makes the SureStryde functional and versatile for most users. The patented seat design slides along the frame, allowing the user to walk inside the rollator frame for an improved gait. An adjustable push bar handle provides a place to propel the rollator forward with better posture and stability. The SureStryde features ergonomic handbrakes with easy brake access. It has been intuitively designed for either handbrake to lock from both brakes. A contoured padded backrest provides comfort when seated. Large wheels allow for ease of maneuverability. A bonus deluxe storage pouch and curb climber are included with each rollator. Let the SureStryde be your sleek mobility solution. Contact your Field representative for more information or visit us online at www.gramfield.com.